Gotta fit these bad boys. They're a 15x9 -20 with a 205 on them under these guards.
Fuck. That just gave me fucking diabetes. This is some real terrible automotive work right here. Is this how you go wide body on your Volvo? Better certain cars. It's alright, but it's a lot smoother than it was. It's actually a piece of shit. I don't know what I'm doing, eh? New BC Racing coilovers, 8 kilo front spring, match with a 27mm Falcon sway bar. New rotors, new pads, 25mm spacers. I feel like there's going to be quite a bit of toe out when I put it back in the ground, but we'll see. It definitely needs an alignment. It doesn't really want to go straight, eh? So, and I think